Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is going to be a collaboration with Creative Mommy and EVELYN CREATIVA here on YouTube. And this collaboration is going to be a total of 19 of us YouTuber crafters, and I will have everyone's link below. We will be having a giveaway at the end of this collaboration, which will end June. So we will have a video on the first of each month starting February, and it'll lead all the way up till June. And our last video will be June 1st. And then we will do a drawing of all our crafty stash that we have built and showed you what our stash is going to look like. And so it'll be a giveaway of that. So you guys, please take a look at all of the collaborators that have collabed here in this collaboration, and check their videos out. Maybe you might like something that they make and join their giveaway, and you will see a lot of creative crafters here in this collaboration. And excuse my voice, as I have been sick lately, and it's been a few days already, well, actually a handful of days. And so I still wanted to do this, and so let's get started. So today we're going to be making these ribbons right here. If you can see these little bows, these are made out of yarn, and they have a little gold bead at the end. And that is going to be my crafty stash for today, are these right here. And I thought it was cute because you know, you could use these all year round. And so what I'm starting out with is some yarn, and believe it or not, I picked up this yarn, and we're going to be using this color, but I can't find the label for it. So this one, these two yarns are actually from the Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, I went to the Dollar Tree and saw these colors and had to pick them up, and they have lasted me quite a bit already, and I've made so many so many hearts already and so many bows that it isn't funny, and I still have all of this left. And so yeah, so you can't beat this. It's just $1. It comes 131 yards, and there is the grams there. It is acrylic, and this is a medium, and you would use a number 4, I'm sorry, a number 10 needle. So I'm actually using slightly smaller than that. I picked these up at Michael's, and I'm going to use the, let's see here, yeah, the 2.35. That's what I'm using. And so let's get started with that. Okay, let's see if I can do this. So what I usually start off with is just a loop like this. Do you see? It's nothing to it. I just hold it together. So I will be starting off with a loop like so, putting the yarn around my pinky, around the back of my hand, to the front of my index finger, and well, actually my my middle finger and my thumb. And this is the way my mother taught me, so I just put this right in. Let me get that smaller. Grab this in, bring it in. And you want to do that one more time before we tie the knot. So there's another one. There we go. Now we could pull the string at the bottom. So we're going to pull this string right here, and that ties a knot. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do 35 of these. These are all the same. You just loop around the string that's on my index finger and pull your needle through the hole. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to do this fast now. This is how it looks. I'm going to speed it up now. So you could go back and see how I did those loops to do the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So this is what it looks like right here. So I ended up making 40 braids instead of 30. There it is. So what you want to do now is just pull your needle up to make a huge loop. You're going to take your needle out, so we're no longer going to be using this. And then we're going to cut this right here. So cut the string that's attached to the ball of yarn. So now you have this, it's the braid along this huge loop, and we're just gonna pull this loop so we don't have this tail anymore. So let's just pull it, and there it is. This is what we need right here. So what you want to do now is fold this in half, and this is where we're going to start our bow. So we're going to loop it right here. See what I did? You can see that? So that's where we're going to start it. Gonna go. So this is what it looks like. I could not tie this on camera with these nails, so don't use nails, you guys. So here's what it looks like. And so what we need now is beads, and I have a bag of beads that I picked up at Michael's. And the next what we're gonna need is, this is if you can't see it, this right here is beading string. It's a really thin type of wire, and what I use it is to thread the yarn through the beads. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's grab 2 beads, and so the beads that I picked up, they're different. They're kind of like not all the same size, but that's okay. You know, you could pick out what you like. And so what I do is just, I hope you can see this. So I grab this right here. My bead is running away from me. Okay, so I grab, let's see if you can see this right here, and I just put this right into the hole. And I should have not used nails. So here you see it right here in the hole. And what you want to do is grab your yarn and just put it right through this bead wire loop, and then you want to pull the yarn right through the bead hole. And there it goes, see? And there it is, right there. So now I'm going to tie a knot. So here we are, we're going to tie this knot. Okay, these nails are giving me trouble. Troublesome nails. So that's what that looks like, and then we're going to snip that off right there, but I'll do that after I do this side. So same thing with this side. Grab the bead wire, stick it through. I got glue on my nails, guys, on my fingers. So if you see shininess, crustiness on my fingers, it's because it's glue. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna feed the yarn right through the wire. And then we're gonna pull the yarn right through the bead. Okay, so there we go. There it is, and then we're gonna tie a knot right there. So there it is, you guys. Really cute bow. And now I'm gonna cut. Grab my scissors and just cut right here and right here. So there's our bow, you guys, and I've made a few already. And let me take that out. I still need to bead them, but here they all are, and this is what it looks like. And so I'm just gonna build my stash, you guys, and then You guys will be able to win some of these in June at the end of my last video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!